Hello everyone, today we're diving into the features of the Installer 3-pack RCA audio cable. A must-have for anyone looking to streamline their car or truck amplifier installation. This jobber pack includes 3 right-angle RCA jacks, complete with a remote wire, making it incredibly easy to set up a 12 volts mobile audio system. Each cable is 15 feet long and features triple shielding with aluminum twisting for polarity, ensuring high-quality, interference-free sound. Crafted with OFC-balanced high-quality interconnects, these cables are designed for durability and optimal performance. The integrated blue remote turn-on wire allows you to effortlessly switch an amplifier or any device on from a 12 volts car stereo or accessory device. By running 2 wires at once, this product is a huge time saver, simplifying the installation process significantly. Whether you're a professional installer or a DIY enthusiast, these cables offer the perfect blend of convenience and quality for your audio setup. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.